everyone, welcome to my class. So we were discussing the chapter number 4 from your history part, social science. Chapter was Indian freedom movement and national awakening in Assam. So we had already discussed about some organizations, socio-cultural organizations, and today we'll be discussing about role of Assam in Indian national movement. So here we will be discussing at first Swadeshi movement and Assam. Assam was actively involved in the Swadeshi movement. The influence of the Swadeshi movement was seen mainly in the places like Dhubri, Gauripur, Guwahati, Dibrugarh, Tezpur, etc. At that time, Assam Keshari Ambika Giri Rai Chaudhuri and Govinda Lahiri formed revolutionary organization among the students of Guwahati, and they appealed for using the indigenous products or goods. Indigenous means native, which are made in India, and boycotting the foreign goods in Assam. Ambika Giri Rai Chaudhuri also wrote a revolutionary drama named was Bandini Bharat. He also established a revolutionary organization named was Seva Sangha. And Ambika Giri Rai Chaudhuri with some revolutionaries planted a bomb in Guwahati Shillong Road for killing J.B. Fuller on 7 September 1906. And for this, Ambika Giri Rai Chaudhuri was imprisoned. The British government tried to keep aside the people of the Brahmaputra Valley from the Swadeshi movement, and for this purpose, British government took some welfare activities. Some of the welfare activities are: first one is to introduce Assamese language and literature in the syllabus of entrance exam of Calcutta University. 2. Open bachelor degrees in all departments in Cotton College. And to introduce Mojadari system in the Brahmaputra Valley. And to introduce 20-point settlement of land. So it was about Swadeshi movement, and now we'll be discussing about non-cooperation movement and Assam. So in India, non-cooperation movement was started in 1920. And we have already found that Assam Association was actively involved in non-cooperation movement. And what happened? In 1921, Mahatma Gandhi came to Assam, and Mahatma Gandhi in his all meetings appealed the Assamese people to boycott the foreign goods. And in the response of his appeal, the Assamese people participated in the boycott movement by organizing huge bonfire of British goods. And some of the leaders of the movement like Hemchandra Barua, Omiyo Kumar Das, and Chandranath Sharma, they also participated in the movement by boycotting the foreign goods in the educational institutions. And some of the officials also left their job. Okay. And with the influence of the movement, national schools were opened in Assam, in Nalbari, Tezpur, Sibsagar, Nagaon, etc. And the first national school was opened in Guwahati in 1921. It was named as Tilak Memorial, and it was in the memory of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. And some other important impacts of the movement were fall of opium consumption and increasing in the production of khadi. It was about non-cooperation movement, and now we will be discussing about civil disobedience movement and Assam. So in India, civil disobedience movement was started in 1930. So what happened? In 1930, Mahatma Gandhi started his journey from Sabarmati Ashram to the sea coast of Dandi, along with his 78 followers. And the distance from the Sabarmati Ashram to the sea coast of Dandi was 240 miles. It is important. Okay. So, in the sea coast of Dandi, the followers of Gandhi broke the salt law. And here in Assam also, some leaders like Vishnuram Medhi, Hemchandra Borua, M. Tayyibullah, they were assembled at the judges' field for showing their solidarity or unity with Gandhi's Salt Satyagraha. And the young leader of the movement, Amiyo Kumar Das, he appealed the students to participate in the movement. And some of the students participated in the Hartal. And some of the students resorted to the boycott of their institutions for demonstrating their protest. But at the meantime, what happened? R.J. Cunningham issued Cunningham Circular. It was issued on 1930 May. Okay. R.J. Cunningham was the director of public instruction. So he issued the Cunningham Circular. Through the circular, the parents of the students had to give an undertaking guaranteeing that their children would not participate in any political activity. Okay, so it was about civil disobedience movement. So in this class we have discussed about Swadeshi movement in Assam, non-cooperation movement in Assam, and the civil disobedience movement in Assam. And we had clearly found that Assam was actively involved in the national movement for independence. So there are some homeworks for you. The first question is, when did Mahatma Gandhi come to Assam? Second one is, what was the distance from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi? So I hope you will try the question answers at home. So it is a time to review. Thank you.